You have been waiting for days, still haven't reached a new token limit. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how you are going to fix that problem. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do it to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to go and update your Chai app. Okay, go to your Play Store, your App Store, search for Chai and update the app. The next step you need to take is to go to the app, tap and hold on it, and click on app info. Okay, clear the cache and also clear the storage. Mind you, make sure you know your password and the Gmail you use to create your account is well saved. You remember everything concerning your account before clearing the storage. Then once you are done doing that, you are going to log in again. Then after that, you are going to force stop the app. You can go ahead and click on force stop here. Okay. Then after force stopping the app, you need to check your network connection. Make sure your network connection is okay and restart the phone. Okay. Restart your phone and restart the phone. So after doing this, I'm sure your problem is going to be fixed. If it's not, you can see them in the comment section. See you guys in the next one. We have come to the end of this video. If you found this helpful, please do to subscribe. Let me in the comment section if you have to find anything difficult on Chai app. I won't hesitate to give you feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.